Okay, Nissan Cube owner. Here's a common problem of the Cube. That the rear, the latch is stuck. Lots of time, people, you take it to the dealership, they will chisel out. Okay, hold on, let me get the flashlight. They will chisel out, destroy that part, that in there. That's the latch assembly, and they are going to charge you about 500 bucks. So don't do that. You go in with a flat tip driver. Go in behind the plastic, pop, take that out, release this, aim in there with that way with WD-40 or brake cleaner. Just spray the heck out of it above and below, and there's a little hole. There is a little hole that you, like, literally against this metal. Stick a nozzle in there and spray the heck out of it. And when you're doing that, hit lock and unlock a lot. While doing that, after that brake cleaner or WD-40 work its way in, there's this spot right there. That's your lever. That's your handle. You can push or pull right below here. Works the same way. Pull that until that release, and that will fix your problem. Latch it. Pretend like there's a latch. That's what's in there. So you hear that click? Yep. So it'll come in with brake cleaner. Stick the heck of it in here. Spray it. Let's spray my face. Like so. And when you open your wipe it back and forth, you see how much grease and dirt collect over the time. That's what get it stuck. Work it like so a few times. Should be good to go. Yeah, bunch of shit in there. Anyway, so once your WD-40 or brake cleaner kind of soaked in, aim your compressor in there. Spray the life out of it. And here's how it should work. Like so.